Good morning. This tutorial is intended to show you how to use the Khan Academy Mappers website. So I made a fake account for my daughter who's a second grader just to kind of show you how to use the website without showing anyone's confidential scores. And I just made up her scores. All right, so you go to the website that I sent you in Class Dojo, khanacademy.org/math/mappers. In this top right corner, you're going to click Login. And you can use the username and password that I sent you in your Class Dojo. It's also on your child's digital login page that's in their binder. But if that paper is lost, then just look back at your Class Dojo messages. All right, so whenever you go to the website and you get logged in, this part right here takes a little while to load, but you don't want to click off of it, because this right here is where your child is going to do their work that's targeted specifically for what they're ready to learn right now. All right, so as you saw, whenever the page first came up, it had like a gray circle, kind of like right here, that was rotating. So you're going to want to let that load and then click somewhere over here in the white. Doesn't matter. It could be over here, up here, wherever, just to allow you to scroll down. All right, so right here, this says you, so that would be Riley May or your child. And then this shows the different domains or areas of math that we learn as fourth graders. So geometry, measurement and data, numbers and operations in algebra. And this shows what Riley May, my second grader, is ready to learn right now. So as you see, operations in algebra, that was her lowest scoring area. Like right here, you can see the scores. Oops, I accidentally clicked it. But whenever you do click whatever domain you're wanting to work in, this is what comes up. And you see it says unit. That is basically the area of math that they're working in. And this just shows the different ways that they can practice. So like Riley May is ready to learn how to understand multiplication using groups of objects. So, she could hit practice and it would give her some practice questions. And if she wasn't sure about how to answer some of the questions, then they give hints. They have videos right here where it says stuck, watch a video or use a hint. And it monitors that as well. So like if your child's really, really having trouble with something and they're using more than one hint, whenever I check their progress, that'll show me that, oh gosh, I might need to work with them a little bit more on this one area. So I've told your kids in the past, and it still stands, it doesn't really matter what order they work in over here in this column. It doesn't matter. They could go down to the very bottom if they want to and, work down there. But the point is that they're working on stuff they're ready to learn. So like Riley May has not mastered understanding multiplication using groups of objects. So she's ready to learn that. She does not understand it yet. She's ready to learn it. Okay, so if I want to go back and look at a different domain, I'm just going to hit my back button. Oops, I might need to hit it more than once. Oh, I can go to map recommended practice. That'd be smarter, huh? All right, so I can click that map recommended practice, and you see it took it a second to load again. And so if I wanted Riley May to work on, numbers and operations or whatever, like she scored about the same in the last three domains, but this is definitely an area of weakness for her, operations and algebra. So she could spend probably the most time in this domain. So that's what I would have her do as a parent. You certainly don't have to. If your child is ready to kind of challenge themselves and they want to go into some of their higher scoring areas, that's certainly fine as well. But this is how your child is going to grow because, like I said, these scores are specific to your child. I just updated everybody's scores a couple of weeks ago with their winter maps score. So it's what they're ready to learn literally right now. All right, so I hope this was helpful. Please reach out to me if you have any additional questions or if something isn't working quite right.